Hello friends, we're here for our second in our series of 4 videos for our catalog kickoff today. The new catalog is live and you're going to want to get all of the things from it. And what we're going to talk about next is the Adventurous Sky Bundle. So let's get you pointed down here. Oh my gosh, my phone is acting crazy. And let's take a look at this next card. So this is our second of 4 videos today. I hope you were able to watch the first one. If not, make sure and get on my YouTube and get on my email list so that you will be able to get all the videos from our catalog kickoff today. Let's see, here is the QR code for you to join my email list. That's really where you'll find the most information about me and all of my events. You'll find all my classes, free PDFs. So point your phone there and go ahead and sign up for my email list so that you'll get all the videos. All right. So today's card, or this hour's card, is made with a bundle called Adventurous Sky. And this is from on page 36 and 37 of the new catalog. You can see it's very familiar here. I love this card so much, I'm just copying it, okay? The suite consists of the Adventurous Sky Bundle, okay? Great dies, great stamps. This designer paper is fantastic, and these industrial trinkets. Now, the industrial trinkets were so popular, they're already sold out. So I'm going to show you an alternative to them if you didn't get them already in your order. Okay, so our products are popular. And so if you see something that you like, you need to get it because these things go fast. All right, so here's the stamp set. Here's the dies that match. Of course, you've got dies that cut out the stamped images, but also a couple of dies that we're going to use that cut out a super cool airplane. All right, so we're going to start with a boho blue background, which I think is fantastic. And let's set this over here out of the way. And we are going to stamp some clouds on here with boho blue. So we have boho blue on boho blue. And I love that. It's a great look. We're going to just stamp one of the large clouds here. And then we've got a large, medium, and small cloud. So large, small, medium. And there are dies to cut out the large, the small, and the medium clouds. Hello. Sharon, good to see you. Oh, I know. I can't wait till we go on our cruise. It's going to be so fun. We're going to an Alaska cruise, and I suspect we'll see some pretty clouds like this. There may even be a little airplane that you could take and fly over to Vancouver or something like that. All right. So we're going to stamp our boho blue on our boho blue, and then we're going to take just a smidge of this designer paper. This is a 3/4 strip by about 4. And I'll show you, this is the cutest set of designer paper. It's called Take to the Sky. And it's a 12 by 12 set of designer paper. Now this first page is fantastic. Look, it has tags already on it. You can use that for your crafting, but also you can make tags, scrapbook pages. So there's that piece. We have some cool monochromatic airplanes. This piece that we're going to use, a great navy gray piece, a Mossy Meadow map. This is a cool, I mean, that just looks like an architect. We've got this Mossy Meadow. So great for your masculine cards. Oh yes, all the clouds. Give me all the clouds. I'm very smitten with this piece. It's like a topographical map. And then we have this just very neutral map. So designer paper is something that I can never get enough of. I always order 2 packs of each because I don't ever want to, I don't want to use that. Just order another one, right? Just get 2. And if you want a little bit of all the papers, Yes, I said that right. Then you need to sign up for my paper share. So click here, put your camera here on your phone or whatever device you're using, and that'll give you some information about my paper share. I have a 6x6, a 12x6, and a 12x12 option for you to participate in, so you can get a lot of different sheets of that paper without having to buy every single one. All right, so now I've also got a strip of basic white here, and I'm just going to put these side on top of each other to cut that angle. So then my angle is going to be the same for both pieces. That's a little nice trick. And then I'm just going to cut this one down a little bit shorter. So I could have made it shorter in the first place, but I didn't. So we're going to stick our piece of designer paper down with some Stampin' Seal down on this lower edge. I want those clouds to show. And then we're going to stamp our stamp with Night of Navy ink. So the two inks we're using here are Boho Blue and Night of Navy. Now we're going to stamp You're the Best plain and simple. So play on words there. Right here. So precious. Okay, that didn't quite work, but we're just going to let it go because, no, let's do this. Ha ha ha. There's always a way, right? Angle, cut that straight and then angle this side. Let's try that again. You know, you guys, if you're crafting and you have a boo-boo, you've got to find a way out, and there's always a way out. So just keep trying. Ta-da! We found our exit route. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is pop this sweet piece up with dimensionals. There's two sides to every cardstock. I'm sure you know that, but that's one of the greatest things about our basic white is it's very thick, and so you can do all kinds of things on there. Now, the next thing we're going to do is create these three-dimensional clouds. Hi, Sandy. Good to see you. So what we're going to do is we're going to put all of our cloud blocks, stamps on a block, and we're going to ink those up with Boho Blue and stamp those on Boho Blue. All right. And then we're going to put our dies that cut, the medium, the small, and the big cloud dies onto our piece. And I've already done that for you because I'm going to do some other die cutting, and I didn't want you to have to watch me do both. So we've got our large, medium, and small clouds here. And we're just going to pop those on with dimensionals. Oh my goodness, come on. So this one goes right above our little sentiment here. And then these two little sweeties are going to go a little bit higher up. Now, a dimensional fits just barely in there, but you could also get out your mini dimensionals for that if you wanted to. So you're going to put this one here, and then this little guy is going to go right over that. And isn't that neat? We've just got a little cloud pattern. Voila. Okay. Now we're going to make our airplane. So I didn't notice it as I was doing it, but I intended on this airplane being Night of Navy, but I made this one Starry Sky. So we're going to do a Night of Navy one and then make a decision if we like Night of Navy or Starry Sky. So you guys stay tuned and we'll compare. All right, so what we're going to do is pop our emboss machine into view here. Hello, Carol. It's great to see you. I always love my friends and seeing them watch my videos. I'm so glad for y'all to watch, and I love it when you share these videos with your friends. It's more fun with friends, and when you comment and like my videos, it's also makes me so happy. So I've got this die on the navy, and this die is going down on this piece of silver foil. So you'll be excited to know that silver foil is in this new catalog. It had gone away for a while, and now it's back. So we're happy for that. All right, so we're going to run this sucker through, make a lot of noise, And I'm gonna just bring it back on through. That one die is pretty detailed. Okay. And you're gonna wanna grab your take your pick tool to pick out all these little pieces from that die. So you've got some little areas in here that have to be popped out. I made some swaps with this, so I learned all the places where these little extra bits are on the dies. I don't know, I don't think I have a copy of this swap that I made, but it was really cute. I'll have to post a picture of it later. I think I sent them all out. Oh, it wasn't a swap, sorry, it was a thank you note for my retreat. I misspoke there. Okay, so pop out all these extra gibbets. That's all of, oh, I see two more up here. And I love the detail on this little airplane die. Wouldn't dare get just the stamp set. You've got to get the bundle. And I do, you know, all of our products are available while they're available. So don't wait around and then say, oh, I didn't get that one. Just get it. All right, so now we're going to layer these on top of each other. And I know that this is going to overlap, so that's a good place to put some glue. And I believe like up in here would be a good idea, and then right around here. So we don't need a ton of glue. Just a little goes a long way. And the way I lined this up is I lined up the two wheels, and then I line up this tail here. Oh my gosh, look, I did not line that up very good on this card. That's funny. So line up your wheels and your tail, and that is perfection. Now, I want this airplane to go right here in this little slot. So one of my tricks, if I've got to get something in a narrow place like that, is I will take my dimensional, and I'll actually just put it where I want it to go. And then I will set my sweetie right down on that. So, because there's only just a very small space where you can get that. And just for good measure, I'm going to stick one under here. Oh, you know, our glue is repositionable for a minute, so just give it a little hold. All right, the last thing I'm going to cut out with the dies is a little piece, and you'll notice this propeller die right here in the middle. I know, isn't it? Aren't the details great, Carol? They're so cute. So I actually had an extra piece of silver propeller from my die cut when I cut it the first time. So I just saved that. And we're going to pop this on with our take your pick tool. Isn't that adorable? Oh, it's so cute. So now you've got some choices for embellishments. These are the industrial trinkets. They are on not orderable status because they've sold out. They are coming back, and I believe they're coming back pretty quickly. So put those on your wish list if you don't have them yet. But there are so many things that work well here, one of which is a new item that we have called Basic Gray and Smoky Slate Pearls. Okay, so I like these more silvery one for this card because it kind of matches the airplane propeller and that detail there. So as predicted, I really do like the navy better than the starry sky. I was just up here and grabbed what looked like a scrap of navy, but it was actually starry sky. So you decide which ones you like. Let me know. Now, as I said, today is our catalog kickoff, so we have multiple videos. The video that I've already done introduces the Attention Shoppers Bundle, so make sure and see that with our new in colors, Summer Splash, Shy Shamrock, Peach Pie, Pretty in Pink, and Petunia Pop are brand new in colors. You want to grab that bundle. And the Adventurous Sky Bundle is the one that we've just used here You can get the bundle and the designer paper. Now, if you put in the whole suite, it's going to say it's not available because of those. Hey, Dana, because of these trinkets. But you can still get the bundle and the designer paper. So don't stress on that. Just order it in. If you ever see that a suite isn't available, just start putting in the things that are in the suite and you'll figure out what's missing. All right. Now, for today, for this until Friday, I believe. Yeah, it ends on the 11th. When you put in an order with me, this is my catalog kickoff ordering special. When you spend $35, you'll get a free PDF. When you spend $50, you'll get a new embellishment in a PDF. When you spend $100, you'll get 20 cards and embellishment, a new embellishment in a PDF. Don't forget that paper share where you can order a little bit of a lot of each ones of the papers, the designer papers in the new catalog. Let's see. Oh, this is something that we talked about in the first video, but I definitely want to touch on it on every video because you can get $125 for $99, no shipping, plus an $82 worth of in-color pads, cardstock, designer paper, and the markers. You'll want to turn your phone there and take a picture of that so that you can pick out your starter kit and get that those free items. So you'll select $125 worth of products, pay $99, no shipping, and you'll also get all of this for free. So do not pass go, do not collect $200. Definitely want to take advantage of that. Now stay tuned for more videos today. Our next live video is at 6 p.m. and there will be a pre-recorded video that is a swap show of a gobs of swaps that I got while we were on the Mexico trip. So you'll want to stay tuned to my page today and make sure and get on that email list so that you can have all of the videos from this series of catalog kickoff in your inbox. All right, guys, see you later.